Hello, I'm Abby and I'm a tie-dye artist. In this video, I'm going to talk about sustainable dyes. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. There are lots of options for making sustainable dyes at home if you don't want to buy ready-made dyes. You can make dyes from powders, berries or leaves using common kitchen items. Berries such as blackberries, raspberries and blueberries make amazing shades of purples, reds and blues. Leaves such as spinach and red cabbage can make beautiful shades of greens and blues. You can make more earthy tones with powders such as coffee, turmeric and tea. You can make all of these dyes by boiling the ingredient down in water and straining it through a sieve. You won't always get such vibrant shades from natural dyes, but with some experimentation with dipping times and concentration, you can get some really beautiful shades. All dyes need a mordant to stick to the fabric, and natural dyes are no different. Using a mordant ensures the colour is vibrant and it doesn't rinse out. Popular items to use as mordants include white vinegar, salt and soda ash. You should soak your fabric in the mordant for at least 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly before dyeing. Check online before you start a project to find the best mordant for the dye you are using. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.